Hello YouTube. I have a little shop tip for you. In case you don't have in case you had a problem, you need to put this in here and it don't fit in a hole like this. Here's my shop tip. If you don't have a extra long bit like this, go in there and then put on your drill. There's a hack to this. If you do have the short bit like me, which fits in there, it also fits in here, see? The little short bit fits in this end, but it doesn't fit in there. What I did, there's my shop tip. Take your angle grinder, grind a little notch in the end, drop it in the hole, take a flat screwdriver, and just unscrew it. And there you go. Shop tip. You don't have the right bit. There's no point in going out and buying a $3 bit, especially in one of these suckers that is just odd and doesn't want to, you know what I mean? You got one, you order a thing on Amazon with a zillion bits and you don't give you a long one. And this doesn't fit in there. Just cut a notch in it. You end up with a long, you don't have to worry about extension. Your extension becomes a screwdriver and just turn it from the back. Keep that in mind next time you need a bit. Thanks for watching. Check out the, what do you call it, folks below, and we have merch, Teespring account. Check that out, and thanks for watching. Enjoy. I'll turn this off now.